Hello everyone, I'm Rosemary and welcome to my channel. Previously this channel was cooking wellness, but now I've changed it to both treats. Thank you so much for all of my subscribers who stayed with me while I was off for some time. I really appreciate you, and for all the new subscribers I say thank you, and for those who are just coming for the first time, I'm happy to have you here as well. So for today's recipe, I am making ice cream with whipping cream powder. Yeah, I've just measured 2 cups of whipping cream powder into my bowl, followed by 2 cups of cold milk. Yes, after that, just mix this. I'm using my stick blender, and then you mix until still thick forms, just as it is like this, thick. Next, you add a cup of condensed milk. Just whisk this again to combine thoroughly. Next, you're going to add your flavor. For this recipe, I added 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor. That's the general flavor I'm using for the ice cream. Yeah, just add that into your mix of whipping cream, and then you mix again to combine. Once it is combined to your taste, just save that, cover with a cling film or whatever you want to use to cover, and keep aside in your fridge. Now for this recipe, I'm making a nut ice cream. This is cashew nut and peanut. I'm just going to crush this to get small bits and some chunky bits as well. Then I'll put that aside. And also I'm using peanut butter together with the nuts. And this is my cookie ice cream. I'm just going to be using some random cookies. I also mashed that to chunks, and this is how it looks like. I'll just serve this and put aside as well. And that's my crunched cookies. Next, I'm also making chocolate ice cream. I'll be using a tablespoon of chocolate powder and a little bit of crushed chocolate bar. I'll just keep that aside as well. And next is my mango. For this mango recipe, I just sliced the flesh of my mango. The mango was a bit soft, so I had to sieve it so it will be smooth. You can decide to blend your sauce as well. It all depends on you. And next, I'll also be using avocado for an avocado ice cream. For this avocado, I'll just scoop out the flesh of the avocado, then I'll mash to desired texture. Yes, you can decide to go smoother than this by using a blender, but for this texture, I like it this way. And then I'll just put that aside as well. So now all my ingredients for the ice cream is ready. For the flavors are ready. I'll just bring out my ice cream from the fridge, the ice cream base, and next I will scoop into different bowls to add my flavors. So for the first one, I'm making the cookie and ice cream. Now I just added my cookies, and I'm going to mix that together until properly combined. After mixing, then I add more cookies to the top, and then cover with a cling film. If you're using a container with cover, then you can just cover with that and then keep in the fridge. That's for the first flavor, cookies, ice cream. Next is my nut ice cream. Now I just went in with my peanut butter, then I'll go on with my crushed nuts, stir that together until combined, and then top with more nuts, and it's ready. Just cover as well and store in the freezer. Next is avocado ice cream. Just serving your ice cream into your container, add in your avocado, stir to combine, and top with more avocado, and cover with a cling film and keep in the freezer as well. Next, we'll go on with our mango ice cream. Add in your mango, stir to combine, add in a bit of coconut chips and into your freezer. Next is my chocolate ice cream. I just added my chocolate powder, mixed thoroughly to combine, added a bit of my plain ice cream, and then went in with my crushed chocolates. And this is how they all look like. Now it is done, and I'm just going to place this in the freezer for at least 8 hours. After 8 hours, I'll be showing you how the texture looks like. Now this is my mango ice cream. It is frozen but not completely, but it's good enough for you to enjoy. Now I'm just topping with more mango puree, and then I'll go on with more coconut chips. Enjoy. And this is my chocolate ice cream. This is my nut ice cream. The cookies ice cream. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad to have you well. And don't forget, our channel now is both treats, and in this channel I'm going to be giving you lots of treats that you're going to enjoy anytime, any day, any hour. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I promise to be available every time from henceforth. Thank you so much for watching again. Love you and take care.